Biolysis AI has just been released, and if you're looking for a powerful, cutting-edge tool in AI technology, you need to know about these 7 crucial things before diving in. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just someone fascinated by AI, this software could change the game for you. First up, Biolysis AI is all about streamlining your workflow and automating complex tasks. It's designed to optimize efficiency for digital marketers, business owners, and even content creators. If you've used AI software before, you'll notice that Biolysis stands out with its deep integration capabilities, which makes it incredibly easy to blend into your existing processes. The software allows you to set up complex automation with little to no technical experience. It's intuitive, simple to use, and quite user-friendly, perfect for someone new to AI. Another crucial aspect is its data analysis ability. Biolysis AI uses advanced algorithms to sift through huge volumes of data, pinpointing key insights that would typically take hours or even days for a human to uncover. It's an absolute game changer when it comes to optimizing your marketing campaigns. The software helps you analyze customer behavior, optimize ad targeting, and even predict trends in real time. For businesses, this means less guesswork and more precise strategies. What really makes Biolysis AI shine is its customization features. It allows you to tailor it to your business's specific needs. Whether you're looking to automate customer interactions, streamline your social media management, or analyze customer sentiment, Biolysis has the flexibility to scale. You can set specific goals for your business and let the software handle the repetitive tasks while you focus on strategy and growth. Now, if you're someone who's concerned about integrating AI into your daily operations, Biolysis has made that process seamless. The software doesn't just work in the background, it provides real-time suggestions and actionable insights. If you're running a marketing campaign, for example, Biolysis AI can give you immediate feedback on what's working, what's not, and what you can tweak to boost results. This live, actionable data allows you to make adjustments instantly, without waiting for the end of a campaign to analyze the data. It also has fantastic customer support. If you ever feel overwhelmed by the complexity of AI, Biolysis offers dedicated assistants to help you navigate through the software. The support team is knowledgeable and ready to guide you through every step, whether it's setting up your first campaign or tweaking advanced features. One thing to keep in mind is that Biolysis AI is still new, so while it's feature-packed, it's not without room for improvement. Some users have reported minor bugs here and there, but the team behind the software is responsive and frequently rolls out updates to fix issues and enhance performance. The growing pains of new software aside, it's an impressive tool with a lot of potential. Lastly, the pricing is highly competitive, especially for such a feature-rich AI tool. Biolysis AI offers a free trial, so you can test it out and see how it works for you before making a financial commitment. I always recommend checking out the free trial, especially when it's a new tool like this one. Now, if you're serious about automating your workflow and taking your business to the next level, I highly recommend giving Biolysis AI a try. You can start with a free trial by using the first link in the description below. And if you're looking for other top-rated AI tools to supercharge your business, I've linked my personal favorites in the description. After trying thousands of AI solutions, these are the ones I trust. Be sure to check them out and find what works best for you. Remember, the future of AI is here, and with the right tools, you can stay ahead of the curve.